I'm going to tell you about a patented idea that solves major environmental problems. If making products we use every day from environmental waste interests you, then you want to learn more about our green solution. What is our green solution? We make methanol from gas that is typically flared at oil wells. In 2020, $20 billion worth of gas was flared, and over $20 billion of gas was newly extracted to produce methanol, gas that could have been left in the earth. This is a $40 billion problem. The ability to abate gas flares is critical to stopping the release of CO2 into the atmosphere. Equally important is the ability to reduce extraction of fossil fuel from the earth if we want to keep carbon sequestered. Currently, flare abatement is accomplished by building pipeline networks from oil wells to reach distant gas processing plants. But this solution is expensive, and there is often a significant lag of a year or two before pipelines reach new oil wells, if at all. A major benefit of Stranded Solutions' novel approach is that its methane to methanol process can scale down economically to a level where production can occur in the oil patch at the wellhead. By volume, methanol is the fifth largest chemical commodity traded globally, and annual demand is expected to increase fivefold from 100 billion to 500 billion by the year 2050. Methanol demand is influenced by levels of global economic activity. Methanol is a base alcohol used to produce pharmaceuticals, household goods, automotive parts, and construction materials. Methanol is typically produced by large plants with access to huge volumes of natural gas. Our plants scale down to 1/100th the size of traditional methanol plants. Stranded Solutions' patented technology is a combination of well-known technologies. One is the process of direct partial oxidation, which combines natural gas with oxygen at high temperature and pressure to produce methanol. The other technology is a fluidized bed reactor, which is a chamber in which the direct partial oxidation occurs. The fluidized bed reactor allows for temperature and pressure management to increase efficiency and outputs during the reaction. Here's a short video to describe our approach, traction to date, and planned next steps.
Globally, 142 billion cubic meters of methane was directly flared into the atmosphere in 2020, and this will continue unless something is done. To counter this environmental and economic waste, Stranded Solutions has developed a patented small-scale methane to methanol conversion technology that enables responsibly sourced methanol at the oil wellhead where otherwise methane flaring occurs. Methanol is the fifth largest commodity traded by volume, and by 2050, there is a five-fold projected demand increase for methanol. By preventing CO2 emissions from flares, stranded methanol can be used to capture CO2 via the production of consumer goods. Methanol and its derivative products, such as acetic acid and formaldehyde, have high market demand from product manufacturers. Using wasted methane reduces the use of natural gas, which would otherwise be extracted from the earth and consumed for methanol production. John Hofmeister, past president of Shell Oil, introduced us to his chief scientist, Jose Bravo, to lead our commercialization efforts. Please join Jose and our team as we look for strategic partners to reach the following milestones. Phase 1 requires $1.2 million for plant financing and the company's legal and administrative expenses. Upon funding, we will conduct an in-field reactor test at Riverside Energy's CO2 plant location in Michigan over a 3 to 5 month period. The milestone is a commercial-ready, optimized, proprietary reactor for use in methanol production, as well as a flare abatement tool to cut CO2 emissions. Phase 2 costs approximately $6 million for the construction and testing of a full commercial-ready pilot plant. Achieving this milestone makes us ready for commercial rollout. This groundbreaking shift to responsibly sourced methanol could have massive environmental implications across the industry.
We've accomplished a lot. We're excited about next steps. Your help, make it happen.
For more information on this investment opportunity,
All right, very good. So thanks for watching that. You may be interested to know that our founder and inventor, Nate Pollock, a chemical engineer, has been working in this field for over 10 years and has developed 9 US patents. Nate's most recent patent involves the utilization of the fluidized bed reactor That was inspired when Nate was installing a pier for a small boat dock in Lake Michigan. Upon this patent's grant, I was asked to join the team to help bring awareness to the technology and realize its commercial and environmental potential. I was encouraged to help Nate from conversations I had with the former vice chairman of Amoco Oil, Lori Thomas, family friend, and Shell's former president, John Hoffmeister. Rob Gerhard, the CEO of Riverside Energy Michigan, the largest gas producer in Michigan, and a potential investor and customer, said our solution is ideal for natural gas producers or oil producers with flared gas. He says modular, small, high-pressure reactors could be mass-produced cheaper than on a per unit of output basis than large-scale units. The potential low capital cost of stranded solutions process may become a game changer in upgrading natural gas in-field to higher value products. Halliburton Labs also sees potential with our technology, and it's invited us to apply to their accelerator program once we achieve our commercial scale pilot plan. Halliburton can help us with manufacturing and international expansion as we have patent coverage in key world markets. I'm curious about today's audience, wondering who here has invested in green energy technology and how you may be able to bring value to our company as we look for strong strategic partners. I'll close by saying that we look forward to conversations with those that can appreciate this opportunity and want to have fun helping us achieve our mutual goals. Thank you.